Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I have a bargain bead box. July. It's been sitting here for about a week and a half and I just am now getting to open it. This month the theme is Free Spirit. It says, with a hint of bohemian inspiration, July's collection reflects a relaxed yet vibrant color scheme and a touch of earthiness, which I like because I'm a Capricorn earth sign, and whimsy. Highlights include a full strand of aqua terra jasper, love, 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 grade A Chinese crystal in bright colors, dreamy blue quartz, man-made druzy pendants, and an on-trend assortment of golden findings and charms. I'm thinking I'm liking this. Like, gold is not my favorite, but I like it with these colors. Very, this looks very beach to me. So, yeah. Let's just jump right in. Let me see if I can get these in some order here. And I will tell you what they are then. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh my gosh. Really pretty. Okay, let's see. 13. Oh, look, they did this way this time so we can get it right. The number sign is there. Let me move their beautiful bag out of the way. 12, 6, 7, 11. Here's 1. Alright, where is 2? Am I missing stuff? 3, 4. This must be 2. Yep. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 items in here. It says the approximate total retail value for your July shipment is $57. So let us just jump right in. Let me put this here. Alright, we have 1 meter of 6 by 3 millimeter steel Figaro jewelry chain. Figaro is like a long link with 3 shorter links. And there you can see it probably. So, and I actually really like that type of chain. It is a little, it's not the best for doing chunky charms, but it's nice for necklaces and things like that. Number 2 is 2 pieces of 19 by 14 millimeter cut glass crystal nugget beads. They're gorgeous. Beautiful. Now let me see the drill hole. It is top to bottom, so it's easy to put on as a dangle or earrings or something, and they're pretty lightweight, so they'd be all right for earrings, I think. We shall see. Okay, and then 3 is 50 pieces of 4 millimeter Chinese crystal bicones in sun. I'm not going to take them out, but that's a really pretty orangey color. And 50 piece, the next one is 50 pieces 4 millimeter Chinese crystal bicone in light turquoise. And then also in teal blue. It's actually more of a blue-green teal, you know. And then number 6 is 34 millimeter man-made quartz in quotations druzy pendant. Oh, it's shaped like an arrowhead. That's really pretty. Really pretty. I love that. And it's very lightweight because it's man-made. Really nice. And it's sort of a rose gold. More of a rose gold to me that it's wrapped in. And then number 7 is 2 pieces man-made quartz druzy pendants, 18 by 14 millimeter. These are rounds, so these would make nice matching earrings to go with this. So I'm seeing a set coming together here. And yes, I know I have been delinquent in making things. I just signed up for way too many collaborations this month again. And not so much challenges this time, collabs. So August is going to be really a get back to business. These are gorgeous too. These are called, and it says 1 piece infinity link, but I got 2. So I don't know if that's a boo-boo or if it's a typo. Yeah, 1 piece. And I'm happy to get them because they're beautiful. And all these ones with the metals, most of them, actually just starting with these, It says metal used is lead-free pewter and zinc alloy. Alright, number 9 is 2 sets of toggle clasps, and they're in that lead-free now. Okay, there's another one I was going to say. Maybe that was only the one. They're a little bit small, maybe for a bracelet would be alright, or an anklet. Yeah, gorgeous. And number 10 is 2-piece 30mm triangle pendants. So they're really pretty too. I think I like them as earrings. Yeah, I'm seeing them as earrings or a necklace pendant, but I'm thinking earrings. I'm just going to lay them here. Number 11 is 15-inch strand 6mm Aqua Terra Jasper. So these are gemstone round beads, and I love these. Don't these just remind you of the beach? It's like pale blue sky and the sand, and I just think they're gorgeous. I believe I have some of these in my business stash as well, and yeah, gorgeous. Love them. Love, love. I'm actually really liking this kit a lot. Number 12 is 15-inch strand 8mm sky blue quartz dyed round beads. Most quartz is dyed if it's not clear, but they're beautiful and they match that so well. Gorgeous. And then number 13 is 40 pieces 7.5mm star bead caps, because you gotta have some stars at night, right? Very pretty. I do like, I actually am kind of liking the gold with these colors. You know, normally I'm a silver girl. And then I'm not going to take these out. These are 100 pieces of 3.2mm round steel spacer beads. They're just plain round spacer beads. So that is the kit this month. And I am going to make a promise that I will make something with these before the next kit arrives in August. So stay tuned. I am going to do it. I may make something out of this kit and the last one before the next kit arrives. So I hope you'll come back and watch. Hold me to that. Remind me. And if I can get the lives working, maybe I'll do it on a live, or do one thing off live and then do another one live. Okay? All right, guys. Talk to you later. Hugs, love, and peace.